Okay, I am going to show you how I go from this to this. Do I look any tanner? I hope I do, because I just spent so long applying this stuff. Hey y'all, welcome back to The Well-Traveled Mom. I'm Michaela Prince and I share lifestyle mommy tips and tricks that will hopefully help you in your journey to motherhood. Today I am sharing my self-tanning routine. I like to apply a self-tanner in the summertime just to kind of give you that golden glow without exposing it to the harmful UV rays outside. So I'm going to walk you through the way that I apply self-tanner and some of my favorite products for achieving that pretty golden glow. The first step, and this is crucial, you have to exfoliate your skin. So making sure that you exfoliate ahead of time will actually help to get rid of all that dry, dead skin on your body, which self-tanner will actually stick to dry skin. And that's where you'll see some spots being a little bit darker than other spots. It's because you have dry areas. But exfoliating before you do a self-tanner will actually help to give you kind of an even surface to apply the tanner. My next step is shave your legs. Again, if you shave after you've applied the self-tanner, you're actually getting rid of the top layer of your skin when you shave. So shave ahead of time so then that way your skin is even. Okay, this step may sound silly, but you have to moisturize and make sure that your skin is hydrated before you put your self-tanner on. Make sure that your elbows are really moisturized, your knees, and even your ankles are very moisturized. Self-tanner tends to get darker in those areas and just give you that even glow. I've been kind of switching back and forth between two different products for my self-tanner. The first one is by the brand Tan-Luxe. I've used both their self-tan drops and their gradual lotion. It kind of depends on how quickly you need color. If you want color right away, I would definitely use their tanning drops. A little bit goes a long way, so what I like to do once I've moisturized my whole body, I do about 2 quarter-size amounts of lotion per 2 to 3 drops. And I just mix it and rub it all together in my hand really well, and then I go ahead and apply it on my body. By using the drops in your lotion, it helps to achieve a really even self-tan. Now the Tan-Luxe Gradual Lotion is really nice because you can gradually build up your color. So the big thing about Tan-Luxe is there's not supposed to be any smell. Now I have such a sensitive nose when it comes to smells, and I still feel like there's a really slight hint of that self-tanning smell, but it's definitely not as bad as a lot of the other ones. Now the other product that I like to use is the St. Tropez Self-Tanner. It comes in a foam and you just, again, like squirt it on your body. You don't have to use your own moisturizer. It definitely gives you more of a natural looking glow. Okay, so now that you've applied your self-tanner, I like to go back and I'll take baby wipes, or you can even get your washcloth and wet it a little bit and go back over your feet and just kind of wipe your feet area, wipe your hands. A lot of people are gonna frown at me, but I like to sleep in my self-tanner. But beware, you probably will get self-tanner on your sheets. And I typically sleep in like a big oversized t-shirt that's older, just so that I don't ruin any of my nicer pajamas. Okay, so my next trick, if there is any uneven areas in your self-tanner, use a good body blur lotion, and that will help to just kind of give you an even tan, and it allows you to kind of hide or fix any of the splotchy areas. And finally, now you just have to maintain that self-tanning glow. The best way is to pat dry when you're getting out of the shower. Try not to exfoliate with any harsh body scrubs or lotions, and make sure that your skin is always hydrated. A good moisturizer every single day will really help just extend the life of your self-tan. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and drop me a note. Let me know some of the self-tanning products that you like to use. We'll see you next time.